Hello student, this is Hemant, teacher of Mount Literacy School Jhansi. In today's lecture video, we are going to start Civics Chapter 4 Working of Institutions Lecture 2. The topic is Parliament. So what is the role of Parliament as a political institution? So student, we have studied about the office memorandum. Just recall the case of with office memorandum. Parliament played a very important role in making law over the Mandal Commission's recommendation. Now you will say how? Now there is so much debate, discussion and shape the decision of the government. Now we are going to discuss all these things in this video. Why do we need a parliament? Elected representative exercises supreme political authority. How? Democracy equals to people. Because we are living in a democratic country, so the ministers, MP are elected by the people. The National Assembly of elected representative is called the Parliament. At state level, this is called State Legislature Assembly. Parliament is the final authority for making laws in any country. Parliament can make laws, change existing laws or abolish them, and can make new laws in their place. Parliament exercise some control over those who run the government. Those who run the government can take decision only so long as they enjoy support of the parliament. So you can say a single word, a majority party, or you can say a majority support. Parliament control all the money that government have. Parliament sanction are required to spend the public money. Budget is needed to be approved in Parliament. To spend the money, they need a budget. Parliament highest forum of discussion and debate. Public issues and national policies are discussed in the Parliament. Two houses of Parliament. Mainly parliaments are divided in two parts, that is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. But over here you will find the third element, that is the President. Lok Sabha, House of the People, directly elected by the people and exercise real power on behalf of people. But in Rajya Sabha, Council of States elected indirectly perform special functions such as look after the interest of various state, region or federal units. Now the third part of the house is President. She is not the part of any houses. Though the President is not the member of any house, therefore her assent is also required in lawmaking process. Now we are going to discuss some of the major questions related to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So in Lok Sabha, total number of members are 545. 543 is directly elected and 2 are appointed by the President as a Anglo-Indian. In Rajya Sabha, 233 members are elected and 12 members are appointed by the President from the field of art, literature, science and social science. Now, who elects the member in Lok Sabha? They are directly elected by the people, but in Rajya Sabha, indirectly elected by the MLAs. What is the length of the term in years of Lok Sabha is 5 years and for Rajya Sabha is 6 years. And Lok Sabha is the Temporary house, it can be dissolved after 5 years, but Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Now we will discuss which of the house is more powerful, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is called upper chamber and Lok Sabha is called lower chamber. So does it mean that Rajya Sabha is more powerful? Now we will discuss over here. This is just an old style of speaking. Our constitution does give the Rajya Sabha some special powers over the state, but on most matters the Lok Sabha exercises supreme power. Now you will say, sir, how? Now see, Lok Sabha exercises more power than Rajya Sabha. During joint session, the view of the Lok Sabha is likely to prevail. Okay, Lok Sabha exercises more power in money matter. Third, Lok Sabha control the Council of Minister and Prime Minister. Thank you, student. Hope you enjoyed the video.